Yes, I understand that most people are just disgusting. Hi. So this is a 2013 Ford Expedition. You've seen this on this channel before. Today we're going to get it cleaned up because it is the day before Labor Day weekend and they are going to go on a road trip. So we're going to get it cleaned up. It won't take much. I'm running around with the cord connected, so bear with me. I'm going to be a little off here, but we're going to get it. I promise. So this is the seat or the vehicle that I did the hydro threads on the seats. The goal was to prevent any more staining on these seats because every time I see this vehicle, the staining is worse. And I don't think it did so well. But we're going to test it. It's been about 30 days. So we're going to test it and see how well it's doing. I'll show you the mess under here, which is not much, but a good vacuum will take care of a lot of it. I think I forgot to show you. This is actually a vinyl leather repair. It's orange, or at least that's the color it's supposed to be. So we're gonna get that cleaned up. So you're probably wondering how a steering wheel can get to be that bad. Well, it's the wheelchair. He has to wear these gloves that have the fingers cut out of them, and the wheelchairs are nasty. They're rolling all over the ground through water, mud, all of that. So, you know, he's got no choice but to get the steering wheel dirty, which is part of the reason why we maintain it like we do. I have to remind myself all the time when I am doing these vehicles and they're as bad as they are, that it could be somebody in a wheelchair and they couldn't do anything about it. And that's his situation. So I try to remind myself that there may be some extenuating circumstances. Yes, I understand that most people are just disgusting, but there could be. You just never know. Let's see how well this clean and shine works on. There you go, now you can see. Let's see how well this clean and shine works on this steering wheel. Okay. guys, you saw I didn't even have to get crazy with this, and it did come off. So I got a little hasty. Chemical guys, hydro threads, it actually made it easier to clean this. I mean, I have shampooed and shampooed and shampooed these seats, and just spraying a little bit of cleaner on them, they started coming clean. Even the greasy spots where the chair leaves a greasy spot, it's gone. And then where the other piece of the chair, it's gone. I'm like, hey. So I was a little hasty. Hell yeah. Okay, now we're gonna put interior ceramic from DIY Detail onto these seats. Now, I'm reading the instructions. Product is safe on leather, vinyl, and fabrics. So, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up. I've still gotta do the back, so I'm gonna finish up the detail, allow these seats to kind of, you know, dry. It's humid as all get out here, so I'm not sure how much drying we'll get. But then I'll put sprayer in, and we will get to work and see how it does. Let's see how this one fared. It always has a little bit of staining right here every time I get it. And then of course this is all transfer from him having to crawl in and out. And what he does is he scoots. So I just want to see if we can improve the look of it. Wow. Alrighty, so now we're going to put the interior ceramic. I'm going to go ahead and put it on this seat since it's mostly used. But that chemical, guys, did do a good job as far as placing a level of protection on the seat. So I'm definitely taking back my hastiness. Let's just put it that way. I'm not sure how long it'll take before we get some results, but we're definitely going to be following up. All right, there is one more place that I want to put this. And the reason why is because it's the most used beside the seats and the steering wheels and all of that. But I want to put it here. This is where it typically gets used up, and it's all yucky every time I get it. So let's see if this improves the nastiness that we get in these little grooves of the texture. Hey, what's up?
Oh, he's trying to put that piece on the Cavalier dash.
These are the type of gloves that he uses for the wheelchair. Alrighty, friends, so this interior is done. I gave my original thoughts of the chemical guys, and I also used the interior ceramic by DIY Detail. So we'll check in on that in about 30 days or so and see how well it's doing. I used the Clean and Protect for the interior. I like that stuff, it smells good. Got this looking good. Sorry about the light. I am so shocked at these seats. I guess chemical guys did put a level of protection on there. It just wasn't waterproof. Now I was able to clean some of that out. Not a lot, but at least a little bit. You see it here. Now I did brush in the ceramic spray, or this interior ceramic. I got the tar out of the carpet. You know, there was tar there I showed you earlier. I got it all out. When it comes to removing tar from the interior, if it's on the carpeting, I'm not like everybody else. I will take a little bit of the bug and tar remover and see if I can get it to work. Floor mats are still wet. And I went ahead, because I had plenty, got some interior ceramic on the front seats as well. And I put it on the driver door over there. Okay, so again, thanks for hanging out, guys. And until the next video, we'll see you later.